Kasee this year bears 5,500. Ya wo Adom hudo mu mane enkwada eka ho ebiedie. Wono atitensuo ni aban institutions anase atenaya hudo ne ankrankra de enso atitensuo ni wo Buipe wo Central Gonja Mansimo e Savannah Mantam ni mu Adom TV Kasee de akire etwasoi.
Ni nyina mu no enkuro nan a afrase ensuo ibu nkamfa wo mo so no sesei adoso ekonso panipa wada disaster of Ghana Red Cross Society ano Jonathan Hope ochimse na so na yekrado se wode hyehye begu akwamu a obetete emabu no aduanan e wo Savannah Mantam mu na wabo na aduma adwuma ekuo no e wode wo mo ye no emu.
For now, we received a special report from our district officers and we have come to also have a look at it, and we've seen that the devastation is terrible. So the immediate action that we are taking is to get some shelter for the affected victims, and very soon we are launching a disaster campaign in the country, and from there we'll take it out from there. Whatever intervention that we are coming to give to the affected victims, then we can come. But for now, we are still looking at getting a shelter for those affected victims.
We don't have a place to sit or to settle, so we are just hanging around. You see us, we are there somewhere, so we are pleading the government to come and help us.
Where from the water? Is it the rain or what?
We will say it's from rain and the other water. The water is somewhere too, and we don't know. We are sure that the water is from Bui Dam, because we are sure that it's from Bui Dam. Because the way we have seen the water, it's not rain water. Because yesterday the water is over there, and this morning it came here, which means it's for, they have opening from somewhere. It's from somewhere to here. We don't have place. We don't have place to sit. If we get, if government will come and help us and build some area for us, so that we move and go to there. Because every year we are facing the problem. Every year we are facing the problem. If government will come and help us and look for a land and build for us, and then we move to there and live here.